Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this channel My Research Support. So friends, today's video would really be very interesting, so please watch it carefully. But prior to that, I'll just recommend you to go through the video. I have provided the link in this video description, where that is the initial video where we have discussed about how to use all the features of this Genie AI. I personally recommend this Genie AI as compared to the similar research tools because of its accuracy. So in this video, we'll be discussing about some golden prompts. Those will help you a lot in reading and writing literature reviews, research papers, PhD thesis, assignments, or any other research documents. And this is really the most important thing, that if you are putting very specific information in the form of prompts, then only you will be expecting the specific information from these research tools. So most of the times we think that we should know how to put a prompt to get the information or to extract the information, but somehow we miss some important things, and because of that we'll be discussing these prompts in this video. If you are writing research papers or any other research documents, then these specific prompts will help you a lot in your writing process, or if you have already written your documents, then these prompts will help you a lot to strengthen your documents. So without any further ado, let's start. So let us first log in to our Genie AI interface. Okay, so this is the main interface of this Genie AI. Actually, I have saved my login ID and password. That is why this interface has not asked me to put login ID and password. But yes, if you are login for the first time, then you have to put your login ID and password. If you don't have any account, then you can sign up and you can create your login credentials. So this is the home page for me. So obviously you will be able to see this project. So I am previously working on that, and because of that, whenever you will save your login credentials, you will be redirected to that project itself. However, if you want to start with the new project, on the left side you can click on this new document and you may start writing. So in our previous video on this Genie, we have already discussed this interface, so let us not talk about that. So on the right hand side you will be able to see few of the research articles. Obviously this is the first step, so you have to first add the research papers. You can add through BibTeX, or you may simply upload the PDF sources. That I prefer this option, and you may create different folders and collections. Okay, so right now I have decided my topic as the effect of exercise on mental health, and accordingly I have added 3 to 4 research articles. But yes, you may add multiple research articles. Okay, so let us first create new document. So I need to click on new document, and then I may put that title, the effect of exercise on mental health. Okay, you may be having these options, standard headings, creative headings, etc. But I would like to start with blank document, and then I may need to click on start writing. Now first let us discuss about few prompts. Those will help you to improve the overall quality of your written text. Okay, for that I need to consider some text. So let us consider that this is the text that I have involved in my research paper, maybe under introduction, result and discussion section. Okay, now let us discuss about the first prompt. For example, if you have involved this paragraph under your result and discussion section and you want to convey any specific argument, so in that case you have to first select this paragraph, and then you have to click on this AI commands, and after that you have to put your first prompt here in this prompt box. Okay, so what is the first prompt? So provide a critique of this text that you have selected from the point of view of someone who doesn't believe the argument made here about. So this is the argument. So this is argument for the subject that I have selected. Exercise being more effective than meditation for reducing stress. So I want to convey this message, this argument, through the overall paragraph. Okay, so for example, if you are involving that paragraph in your research paper, so reviewer may ask you, means you have to understand what other counter arguments you will receive. Okay, and then if you are getting this information before submitting your research paper to any journal, you can modify those paragraphs, or you may add those points so that it will be easily passed to the review process. So within this bracket you have to mention in one sentence your message or your argument that you want to reflect, or that should be reflected from the selected paragraph. You may select multiple paragraphs as well. So I'll be just copying this AI prompt, and then you have to paste this prompt in this prompt box. You can select any paragraph. So I have selected paragraph, then AI commands, and then I need to paste. this prompt here, and then you have to click on enter. So you can see this. So you have to refer to maybe last 2 to 3 sentences. For example, mindfulness and meditation are not necessarily mutually exclusive, and incorporating both practices may yield the best results for some individuals. So exactly what you have mentioned in the paragraph and what are the limitations of that, or what are the counter arguments, those you will get within this, and accordingly you can modify your result section or any other text. Now second important prompt, so you can select any other paragraph. For example, if I am selecting this paragraph and then AI commands, and then I have to put this prompt, can you peer review this text for me in a way that specifically looks out for problems with logical argumentation. Means if there is a problem with my logical argumentation, then we'll be getting some insights or problems, so that you can restructurize your argumentation to reflect or to present the better information. You can paste that here, you can enter, and you will get this information. So you have to go through this information, and accordingly you have to modify your text. Okay, so this is the third prompt that you can use. Propose a better structure for rewriting what I have already written. Okay, means you need to rewrite few of the arguments those you have written in order to improve the readability. Then you can copy that, and same way if you want to improve the readability of these arguments, you can select, you can click on the command box and you can put that prompt. Okay, so that you will be getting those results. Now let us turn toward the second category, and that category is paragraph specific prompts for structure and flow. Okay, and the first prompt is this one. See, rewrite this paragraph to enhance. See, most of the times we use only this prompt, rewrite this paragraph, and we will select that paragraph. Okay, so that is not the way. So if you want to yield very specific and best results, then you may use this specific prompt. Rewrite this paragraph to enhance its argumentation, tone and structure in a way that it leads to highlighting the, so what you need to highlight, you have to mention that specific message, that specific technical thing here. Like I have mentioned, importance of incorporating regular physical activity for mental health improvement. So that should reflect from my paragraph, and accordingly this Genie AI will pick some strong technical words, and in this way this will rewrite your paragraph that would be of best structure and flow. So obviously the method is same. You have to just copy this, and again you have to just select that paragraph. For example, this is the paragraph. I'll select that paragraph, then AI commands, and simply in this command box you have to paste that command, so that you will be getting this information. So you can go through this paragraph. So if you want any alternate version, then also you can click on try again, so that you will be getting maybe better version than this. Or if you think that this is the suitable information, so you may click on replace selection, so that the existing text, existing paragraph can be replaced. Now let us move towards the second prompt that may help you to improve your paragraph structure or flow. I want to reduce the awkwardness of this paragraph. Okay, so can you rewrite in a way that enhances its fluidity without changing the original message? So this is especially to remove this part or to reduce this part and to enhance the fluidity of your text. Now let us move towards the third prompt, that is really very important prompt. So I am struggling with the transition between these two paragraphs where I move from discussing. So this is the message that is reflecting, that should reflect from my first paragraph, and this is the message that is reflecting from my second paragraph. Okay, so where I move from discussing this paragraph to this, suggest a smoother transition that enhances the flow. So the flow is really very important in oral manuscript, in oral maybe PhD thesis assignments. For that obviously you have to select any two paragraphs. Let us consider these two paragraphs, and then you may select even 3 paragraphs, 4 paragraphs. Accordingly you need to little modify your prompt. and then you can just paste that prompt here, so that you will be getting the text that is having smoother transition and the best connectivity in between two paragraphs. So you can replace selection, or you may try again. Now let us move towards the third category, which is assisting with individual sentences or phrases. If you are writing within this GenAI interface, maybe you are writing your own sentences, in that case you may use all these prompts, or even if you have already written few text, in order to improve that also you can take assistance of these prompts. So first prompt is, can you simplify this sentence without oversimplifying the technical details? Means sometimes you may need to simplify any specific sentence in order to improve the clarity of that sentence, but obviously it should not affect the technical details. And for that, the same method you have to follow. You have to select that specific sentence, and then you have to click on AI commands and you may put that prompt. Now the second prompt, all my sentences seem to start with the same way in the text. Help me to replace this one to start with differently. Okay, so this is the major problem with everyone, means our writing style is almost same. So whenever we write any specific sentences, then definitely there is a possibility that all other sentences seem to start in the same way, or the style looks same. So obviously, to represent your data differently, you need to use this prompt, so that you will be getting the text with excellent representation. Now let us move towards the third prompt, which is, I am struggling to integrate this quotation. So obviously, if you are getting any difficulty to integrate any specific quotation, any specific message within the 2-3 paragraphs, within this bracket you can put your message, your quote, and then you can select those paragraphs, so that in the excellent manner this GenAI will be integrating this quote without affecting the structure and flow of your paragraphs. And now the last prompt under this head, assisting with individual sentences phrases, is, can you adjust the tone of this sentence or this paragraph to sound more assertive? So I have used this tone. So there are different tones. For example, if you are writing one sentence maybe in analytical part of your manuscript or research document, you need a tone, more argumentative type of tone, okay, descriptive type of tone. Then accordingly you may select that tone and you may use this prompt, so that even if you are written very simple paragraph, that would be converted into this tone, assertive, explanatory or reflective, or that would match to the data that you are presenting in your research document. Now let us discuss about the last few prompts which comes under this head. If you are interacting with the PDFs, or if you want to read the research papers, then definitely how to extract the quality information with specific prompts, that we'll be discussing here. So we'll be discussing about total 6 prompts, and for that you have to just go back to your GenAI interface. I'll remove this part. Then you can click on this option AI chat, and then you have to just enter @ and you can select any of these uploaded research articles. Actually I have uploaded many research articles, but only these 4 research articles are related to this topic, the effect of exercise on mental health. So I'll be selecting, for example, this research article, means I need to interact with this research paper. Okay, so we will be discussing total 6 important prompts. Those will help you a lot in interacting research papers and extracting quality information. So this is the first prompt. First you have to select that specific research paper, and then you have to just enter this prompt. You can see this. How can the arguments made by the authors in this paper be applied to understanding the effect of exercise on mental health? In bracket I have put my topic. So similarly you may put your title, research paper, review paper or research documents title. Okay, and then simply you have to click on send. That does mean, see, you have to read the research papers and you have to see how these arguments made by different authors are helpful to understand your topic. Okay, so that information directly you will be getting by using this prompt. So you can say this, GenAI has given you very precise answer. So how stress reduction, mood improvement, overall psychological well-being is related to the exercise. So definitely within instead of asking about what are the important reasons, what are the important findings, within this single prompt you will be able to get very precise and important information. Now let us discuss about the second most important prompt. So you may click on this icon. You may select single article or you may be selecting multiple articles. You can ask maybe two articles, 3 articles at a time. And now I'll be putting up my second prompt. So what are some of the critiques developed by these papers about the literature on the effects of exercise on mental health? Means indirectly you are asking about the limitations of the research articles or literature, and what are these limitations these research articles have mentioned. So if you are selecting the recent or latest research articles, definitely you will be able to identify the gaps within all this literature. So now you have to click on send. So Jenny has started thinking, and you will be able to see this with proper citation. You will get this information. Okay, so that is one of the most important point. So you will be able to see this. So this is the first research article that you had selected, and this research article has pointed out these limitations or critiques of previous literature. This is the second research article you selected, and this is the critiques. And now let's move towards the third important prompt, that is I am looking to develop my understanding of how exercise intensity affects the stress reduction. Okay, so in this bracket you have to put what exactly you are about to do with your research. So you can, in single statement you may put that, and then what are some insights from this paper that will help me to do that. Okay, means how this previous research papers will help you to develop your idea. So at the rate, and you have to select that research article, and then you have to click on send, so that you will identify how this specific research article will be helpful in implementing your idea. So you can see this. So this is again a precise answer, you can go through it. So here, somewhere here, you can just go through this sentence. Understanding of how exercise intensity affects stress reduction, you might want to consider exploring studies specifically investigating this relationship. For example, so they have mentioned about what exactly, on which parameters you have to emphasize in order to understand this point. Okay, so similarly we have 3 more important prompts. So this is 4th important prompt. In my research I am arguing that, so you have to put your argument, like I have put my argument, regular exercise significantly reduces symptoms of depression. Okay, so you can put your argument, and you can see how will this paper critique my argument. So that paper will relate your argument with whatever arguments those authors have placed in their paper, so that it will help you to understand your topic well, or you may modify your arguments. Okay, so in the similar fashion you may click on send and you may get this information. So let us discuss about the 5th prompt. So this is the 5th prompt. So I have been reading a lot about, so within the bracket you have to mention your topic and little more explanation. Okay, I have mentioned how different types of physical activities such as yoga, running, impact mood will affect the mental health, and then how can the ideas developed in this paper or in these papers, you may have to select multiple papers, be synthesized with what I have been reading. Means how you can apply these ideas, those different research articles have presented, how I can apply those ideas in order to understand my topic, the topic that I am reading. Okay, so you can just send this prompt in order to get this information, and this is the last prompt which will help you while interacting with the PDFs. What are the key arguments in this text that can be used to support or contest the idea that, so you have to mention, see, if you want clarification or if you want something to support your specific idea, or maybe you have mentioned any specific thing, then also specifically you can mention it here, so that you may be getting different or lot of points that you can use in order to support your argument. Okay, so now the last point, obviously this is not a free tool. With free account you will be able to get some access to limited features, but from my point of view this is worth subscribing to the premium version. But still what I'll recommend you is first try to use the free version and see to how much extent this Genie AI is useful in your research, and then only you have to move ahead with the paid version. Do not forget to refer to this video description. I have provided one discount coupon. By applying that you may get additional discount. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this information will help you. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.